Hi, this is Jose at Scosh, and today I want to introduce you to our MagicMount Pro2 tripod selfie stick. Whether you're an experienced content producer or an up-and-coming amateur, this magnetic phone tripod and selfie stick will make your life so much easier. And it might even help you take your TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube game to the next level. First, pop out the legs of the tripod and push on the main rod in the bottom center of the tripod to extend the legs fully. Next, twist the adapter on the extension tube to raise or lower the selfie stick to your desired height. Continue to twist the adapter to loosen the ball joint in the selfie stick to tilt or rotate the tripod head. The tripod base folds down to form the selfie stick handle, which you can simply twist to loosen, extend, and lock in place. Powerful neodymium magnets in the tripod head securely hold phones of all sizes. It holds iPhones 12 and later straight out of the box with no magic plate needed. For other phones, including Androids and iPhone models 8 through 11, just attach the included magic plate to the back of your phone. Note how the 360-degree adjustable head lets you use your phone in landscape or portrait mode. If you wish, you can twist, loosen, and remove the magnetic head to expose the 1/4-inch screw to mount your favorite camera for the perfect shot.